Since I was doing some concrete work, I decided to come out here. This was broken out before, and I wiped it down really good with a brush, brushed it out, and then started filling it in. And it looks pretty good. This mortar has some fiber in it, so it should get very hard. And I think it was S type. Also did some over here. I don't know if you can see that. These bricks were pretty broken out, and there's still some bad spots up in there, but each time I'll get a little bit of it. And it should be much better. We still got a little air coming in here around the edges. Maybe this corner mainly, but still tighter than what it was. And I'll put some boards in here and put some twists on there so I can take it out instead of screws. But it's looking better.